Howdy y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm the Handy Monk, and today we're outside in the garden. Here, we're actually gonna do some fertilizing today. I have purchased some Miracle-Gro plant food spikes. And the reason I bought these is because, as you can see behind me, some of the plants in the garden are doing quite well. Squash are doing really well. I mean, this guy is getting huge. I'm really excited about that. That's probably about a foot long. He's got some other fruit coming off there. I have these cucumber plants along the edge here that are doing really well. But on this trellis right here, I have all these bean plants. And so far, I've only been able to get off 1 or 2 beans from it. And you can see on the bottom of this guy, he's kind of browning up. And so my guess is either it's water or it's nutrients. But I water these pretty much every day. And I think they're just not getting enough out of this very clayey soil that I've treated with compost, but still, I think the soil is just a little too difficult for them. And so I found these the other day. It's very exciting. They just put in the ground next to your plants, and they will feed off nutrients and other things that the plants need and maybe help them out a little bit. I figured it was kind of worth a shot. Let's take a look at how to install them. The instructions tell you to put it a couple inches from the plant. You can put a couple of them around each plant if you want, and it should feed the plant as you water. So let's put it on these pepper plants right here, and in a couple weeks I'll let you know if it helped out. So here's my pepper plant here. I'm just gonna scrape away some of the mulch I have around this guy. Take my insert, let's make a little hole. I'm gonna do one on this side of him and one on this side. Gonna break off one of my spikes, stick it in the ground there, take a second one, stick it on the ground here. This guy's got a nice little pepper on him, and that's it. That's all there is to it. Very simple. I've just poked a hole in the ground, stuck these in. I'll come back in a future video, let you guys know if this has worked, but I thought I'd show you what the Miracle-Gro plant food spikes are like. Very simple to install. I'm just gonna go ahead, put the rest of them in. So that's all there is for this video. If you like what you saw, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, leave me a comment below letting me know what you think, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. And remember, go out, enkindle, and enlighten.